Hello everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
For those who don't know, my name is Novira Dwi Ayuning Tias. I'm a semester 1 student at Raja Ali Haji Maritime University. Today, I will discuss about batik. First, it is about the definition and history of batik. Next, definition batik. Batik is the work of the Indonesian people, which is a blend of art and technology by the ancestor of the Indonesian nation. History of batik. Batik comes from the word ambatik, which means a cloth that has many dots. The suffix of the word batik, namely tix, means a point or end used to make a dot. The next slide is about the function of batik, where there are two functions of batik, namely one, practical function. The practical function of batik clothes is none other than as a product that can be used in everyday life. In this case, batik cloth can be used as a material to make clothing or clothing. 2. Aesthetic function. The next function of batik is the aesthetic function, namely batik, which is used as a decoration to a social symbol. And the last are type of batik. 1. This is type of batik kawung. Batik clothes is the oldest motif originating from the land of Java, Yogyakarta, to be exact, and belongs to the example for classical batik. 2. Kain batik parang rusak. The damaged match batik is a very popular in Indonesian batik motif and originates from Yogyakarta. This batik motif describes the meaning of the struggle between humans against evil. There's all many presentation. Before I close, are there any questions?
Hi. I want to ask, what is the uniqueness of Kawung Batik?
Okay. Kawung batik has a unique motif inspired by a spear resembling a kawung fruit that is split in half and arranged neatly to a geometric style. Reporting from several sources, the kawung batik motif is also often interpreted as a picture of a lotus flower with 4 seeds of blooming flower crowns.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much and good morning.
Morning.
Hello everyone. For those who don't know me, my name is Salsa. I am a semester 1 student at Raja Ali Haji Maritime University. Today I will discuss about sport. First, it is about the definition and history of the sport. Definition of sport is an activity that involves the exertion of physical and mental energy carried out to train the human body, both physical and spiritually. The history of sport cannot be spared from what happened. Action world, those day physical activity that influenced into sport had an early connection to rituals, wars, and entertain. In the beginning, sport were related to military training. For example, sport match used to be used as a way to determine whether a person is appropriate and effective for carrying out military duties. Team sport are used to train and prove combat ability and to serve in an army unit. The next slide is about the type of sport. First, we have basketball, and the second is swimming, and the third is badminton. And the last slide are benefit of sport for body. First, prevent heart disease and stroke. 2, controlling blood sugar level. 3, keeping blood pressure stable. That's all my presentation. Before I end my presentation, are there any questions?
Me.
Okay, Indri.
Okay. Well, I will ask Salsa. How many warm-up movements are there in sport?
Right, for me. Basically, a proper warm-up can take up to 15 minutes. One of the advantages of the warm-up movement is that it is very good for regulating the overall readiness of the body. The effect that comes after warming up is the smooth running of sport activity. As for the various warm-up movement that you can apply before exercising is 1, turning head. Just move the neck clockwise for a count of 8 seconds. After that, do the opposite with a count of 8 seconds. 2, waist the twist. 3, knee twist. 4, shoulder twist. 5, twist both arms. 6, straight the thigh wrist. 7, bend the ankle. 8, bend the wrist. 9, straight legs. 10, and the last one, bend your body forward. There are many activities that you can do before exercising, all the which vary according to the needs of the exercise required. That's all, Indri.
Okay, thank you, Salsa.
Okay. Thank you so much for me. Good morning.
Morning.
Hello everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, morning.
Let's introduce about myself. My name is Nova Ramadana. I'm a semester 1 student at Raja Ali Haji Maritime University. Today, my topic is Boy Group Treasure by Korean. Okay, first slide, introduce about treasure. Next slide, why are you stunned treasure? And last slide, introduce about member treasure. Introducing about boy group Treasure. Treasure, Korean Japanese stylist in all caps, is a South Korean Japanese boy band formed in 2019 by YG Entertainment through the reality survival program YG Treasure Box 2018. The band is consists of 10 members: Choi In-suk, Ji-hoon, Yoshi, Jungkyu, Yoon Jae-hyuk, Asa Hee-doyoung, Haruto Park Jung-woo, and Song Jung-wan. After debuting in 2019 with their single album The First Step, Chapter 1, the first in a tetralogy of albums that collectively sold over 1 million copies in just 5 months. Why are you stunned Treasure? Member Treasure has a very extraordinary talent. Have your young member, very cool visual and very amazing voice. Okay, last slide. introduce about member treasure. First, leader Choi In-suk, position mine rapper and from Japan. Second leader Park Ji-hoon and position mine dancer. Yoshi from Japan and position lead dancer. Kim Jung-kyu position is lead vocalist. Yoon Jae-hyuk position sub rapper. Asahi from Japan position is vocalist. Do-young main dancer. Haruto from Japan from position lead rapper. And Park Jong-wo main vocalist and last Song Jung-wan lead dancer. Okay. Before I close, are there any questions?
Excuse me, Nova. I want to ask.
Okay, Sasa.
Okay, which member do you like the most out of those 10 people? 10 member.
I like the most out of 10 members is Park Jong-woo because very multi-talent and good vocal and handsome boy. Okay.
Okay, Nova, thank you.
Okay, guys. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day. Bye.
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 Okay. Hello, good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Before we begin, let me introduce myself. Briefly introduce. My name Basil Hakimi, and I am the owner of a cheese fruit salad company. This is your business logo, cheese salad. Today, I am going to be talking about how did I start a fruit cheese salad business so that it can run until now. I started this cheese fruit salad business in 2020. I choose this business because in Tanjung Pinang, there are not many business. So according to this, it opened a great opportunity for me to start the business. At that time, I did not have a large business capital. I only had 500,000 with rupiah. With that money, and I used at it to buy all the things I needed. Then with the development of technology, moreover, the promotion process I did on social media such as WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. We now also have a shop in Stone Shop 9 beside Callisto. The, the price I over to consumers varies 18,000 rupiah, 25,000 rupiah, and 35,000 rupiah. In fact, on the first day of selling, I only got 10 box of order at a price of 18,000 rupiah. The next day, the number of orders continued to increase with varying price. And with me continued increase in the number of orders, this made me believe that this business will be able to develop well. Once upon a time, I experienced a decrease in the numbers of purchase from customers, and to everyone this I developed my creativity and innovation by opening and over relates to a new topping variant, namely chocolate, so that the topping was not only cheese anymore, but there was a chocolate topping variant. And with this, it turned out that the amounts myself have increased and continue to increase and can run until now. So we as young people do not be afraid to start a small business. Start a business with skill, confidence, and hard work. Any question?
Excuse me, Basil. I want to ask,
Okay.
how to get rid of the fear of starting a business?
Okay, I will answer it. We do not need to be afraid to start a business. We must have confidence that this business we are going to start will be able to progress and develop. So when that belief is there, then the fear will disappear. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Basil.
Okay. Okay. And so I have the presentation is related cheese fruit salad business. If there are wrong words, please forgive me. Thank you.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
You're welcome.
Welcome.
Hello everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
For those who don't know me, my name is Desti. Today I will present the definition, function, and examples of land transportation. What is ground land transportation? Land transport is the transport or movement of people, animal, or goods from one location on another location on land. The next slide is about the function of land transport. Number one, as tool to facilitate daily human activities. Number two, as media that can help the growth and development in certain areas. Number three, as a tool to regulate the process of moving people and or goods for human needs. And number four, as medium that can support the growth and development of the national economy through the transportation service business. In the last slide, examples of land transport: bus, motorbikes, car, trains, and trucks. Any question before close presentation?
Me.
Okay.
Sorry, Desti, I cannot open the camera.
No problem.
Okay, I will ask for Desti. What are the advantages of ground transportation?
The service is more flexible, so it is possible to change the departure schedule and destination route. Can get directly to the destination. Can run at peak speed. Has a wiring, so that it can transport goods in larger quantities and quickly.
Okay, thank you, Desti.
Okay. See you again in some delegation. Thank you for to be a great audience. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Hello, good morning, everyone.
Hello, good
Morning.
Hello, good morning.
For those who don't know me, my name is Indriani Dwi Larista, and I'm student of Raja Ali Haji Maritime University. Today, I'm going to talk about benefit and example of social media. On the first slide, I will discuss what is social media. Social media, or often also referred to as social media, is a digital platform that facilitates its user to communicate with each other or share connection, the from our ratings, photo, video, and is a digital platform that provides facilities to carry out social activities for each of its user. Social media is also a means to socialize with each other and is done online that allows humans to interact with each other without being limited by time and space. Okay, on the next slide, there are benefits of social media for its users. The first benefit of social media is the fastest and foremost source of information. Although there are many benefits of reading books and magazines, the fact is that many conventional media such as newspaper of magazines go out of business or prefer to tap technological developments by utilizing online media. Okay. The second benefit is solution to add insight. One of the benefits of social media for society, especially the benefit of the internet for education, is a solution to add insight. Then the benefit of the third social media are effective online communication media. It is undeniable that one of the benefits of social media is that it is the most effective online communication medium through the WhatsApp group and an announcement can directly reach people who must get the information only through one status on the Facebook account can many people immediately access it. On the last slide, there are several examples of social media, such as Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp. Do you have any question?
Me.
Okay.
Okay, I will ask for Indri. In addition to providing benefits, social media also has a negative impact on its users. What are the negative impacts of social media?
Okay, thank you, Rindy. I will answer a question from Rindy about the negative impact of social media. So, the benefit of social media for the community abroad are only a small part of what is representative because there are indeed many benefits of social media for society. But what about the many reports about the impact of social media on society which is negative in nature? Well, did you know that if you look further, the problem is not the social media but actually coming from the user. Number one, not being wise in using social media can be a trigger for some of the problems that arise. Number two, a person's low level of education can also have an effect on their social media style. Number three, social media does have no limits. Anyone can post and share any information. Okay,
Okay, thank you, Indri.
you're welcome. That's enough presentation for me. Thank you and good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Okay, hi everyone.
Hi.
Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Isyanita Sakianur. I'm semester 1 student at Raja Ali Haji Maritime University. Today, I'm going to be talking about Lotus. First, The definition of lotus. In Indonesia, lotus is also used to refer to plants and nomen nomos genus Nymphea in Nelumbo. In ancient times, people often mix up plants of the genus Nelumbo, such as Seroja, with the genus Nymphea. In Nelumbo, flowers are located above the surface of the water, do not float, red, so the petals, lotus are white to yellow, leaves are fully circular, and rhizomes are commonly consumed. The next slide is benefits about lotus. The lotus became a plant in the gardens because of its beautiful flowers. A French painter named Claude Monet is famous for painting lotus flowers. The next slide is uniqueness of lotus. Lotus is a unique aquatic plant. The lotus grows in very muddy water, dirty and brown. The color of the flowers is more brilliant. The color of the flower when is whiter, when red is redder, when pink is lighter in color. That's all my presentation. Does anyone want to ask?
Me? I want to ask Tasa.
Okay, Desti.
Why the lotus flower grow and lives in water?
Okay, because the lotus flower has an air cavity in its stem which makes the lotus float and adapt to life in water.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Desti. Okay, thank you so much and good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Morning.
Hello, good morning, everyone.
Good
Hello,
morning.
morning.
Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Santario Aldebaran Sujono, and I own Not in Donut Homemade. Today, it's a special day. I want to introduce for all of you my Donut Homemade. It is just not ordinary donuts. It's homemade donuts with fresh ingredients, still made with hand, and it will make you feel home when you eat donut homemade. Donut homemade have variation tastes with chocolate, Oreo, strawberry, matcha, cheese, and still another flavor, and you can taste it all in donut homemade. For a price that is not too expensive in your opinion, you can go for donuts homemade for only 50k rupiah, 8 donuts for 35k rupiah, and 12 pieces for only 55k rupiah, with a complete but taste and better than other donuts sold in the market. So before my close in presentation, do you have any question?
Yes. I want to ask Antario.
Okay.
Okay, is it true that homemade donuts are made by hand without using a machine?
Yes, good question. Yes, that's right. Homemade donuts are made using their own hands, which must be sterile and safe from bacteria. And the ingredients used are also the best ingredients so that they can produce the best homemade donut taste. So I think that's all my presentation. I hope you can enjoy my donut homemade. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Welcome.
Hello everyone. Good morning.
Hello. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Thank you for coming to my presentation. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Harinisa Hamidatanasana. I am from Ali Haji Maritime University. Today I'm going to be talking about pine trees. Okay. First, getting to know the pine tree. Pine and spruce are tree is the same type, namely the type of coniferous evergreen. Coniferous evergreen is a type of the tree that grow to form a cone and has green leaf all years around. Doesn't change color with the season, but actually pine and spruce are not the same because they come from different genera and families. Both are tree from the Pinaceae family, but come from different genera. Name the cedar genus or fir tree and the Pisces genus or spur tree. Generally, the type of tree used as Christmas tree in book and movie is a fir tree or a spruce tree. Fir and spruce tree have the chemistry of twig and leaf that grow along the tree trunk. The trunk and leaf that grow on the lower stem are thick and longer. The shorten and conical the top of the tree. Meanwhile, spruce is a tree that comes from the Capricus genus of the Capricaceae family. Spruce have character leaf that segment and look like short needles that grow sparingly. Spruce leaf from a kind and shoulders with a round egg. In contrast to fir trees or spruce tree which have brown flat leaf blade. In Indonesia, pine trees are also called to some trees. These trees come from the same family as fir trees and spruce tree, namely the Pinaceae family with the pine genus. Pine of Tusam suitable to grow in the highland. Tusam has the characteristic of cracks, stem, and leaves that are fused to form a collection of long needles, pine needles. Pine leaves that grow are the branch or twig in the middle of the trunk. Okay. Slide 2, this is a taxonomy. Okay, next yeah. Pine the benefit. Future raw material. Pine wood has good quality and fine wood grain structure, making it easy to process and make furniture product. 2, paper and stationery raw material. The smooth material of pine wood with low density and make the wood easy to crush and process into to paper and pencil. 3. Raw material for craft and equipment, similar to furniture and a number of handicraft items, such as miniature toys, accessories, chopsticks, and match, are made from pine wood. 4. Container raw material, containers that are often used for import-export distribution. Usually use pallets or wooden packing made of pine wood. 5. Fertilizer making material. Pine leaf extract containing potassium can be used as fertilizer mixture. Pine leaf extract can also be processed in bioherbicide to overcome excessive weed growth. Okay, before I close the presentation, do you have a question?
Yes, I want to ask,
Okay.
where do you pin trees grow?
Pine are able to grow at various altitudes, but the best place for the development is at an altitude of 400 to 2,000 meters above sea level. Pine trees planted at the altitude of less than 400 above sea level will not grow optimally because the air temperature is too high. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you for attention for my presentation. And goodbye.
Bye. Hello everyone. Good morning.
Morning.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation today. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Rindi Apriani Utami. I am from University Maritime of Raja Ali Haji. In this presentation, I will discuss about technology. Definition of technology. Technology is a product produced by the man with the benefit and usefulness to make people's life easier, more advanced, and modern. With the updates from time to time, technology captures his prowess and sophistication that can be utilized by humans to support their daily activities as well as helping people to enhance work productivity. Function of technology. First, make it easier to receive information. Second, facilitate communication between people. Third, make learning more efficient and effective. Fourth, can increase knowledge. Example of technology. First, information technology. An example of information technology is television. Second, communication technology. An example of communication technology is email. Third, transportation technology. An example of transportation technology is the electric train. Fourth, education technology. An example of education technology is a computer lab. Fifth, medical technology. An example of medical technology is USG. 6. Architectural technology. An example of architectural technology is building design. In conclusion about technology is the development of information technology at this time is increasingly sophisticated and rapid. This also encourages information providers to also follow the development of technology and information because the information needs by the wider community are increasingly diverse. Okay, that's all I can say about technology. Any question?
Me.
Okay, Nisa.
Okay, Rindi, I want to ask, how do you respond to current technological development so that they are not misused? Thank you.
Okay, I will answer the question from Nisa. First, use it for positive things. Second, use it at the right time and place. Third, use as needed. Four, minimize the impact on the body. Okay, everyone, thank you for attention. Good morning.
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 Morning.